How's it going, folks? Welcome back to The Average Garage. Today's episode, we're going to swap some intercooler hoses. Thank you very much to Mick at Off-Road Daily for supplying the intercooler hoses. We're going to be using these today. They're a great example of a decent silicone replacement. So yeah, let's jump straight in and swap them out. Alright folks, there you have it. The silicone intercooler hoses from Mick at Off-Road Daily are fitted. Probably took about 20 minutes. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, head to your preferred mechanic and get them to do it for you. Some really important tips to know along the way is to make sure you have adequate clearance between the auxiliary drive belts and the intercooler hoses, mainly on the cold side. So make sure you can fit at least a finger between that belt and the silicone hose. Another thing is make sure the hose is pushed plenty over each barb so the hose clamp has a lot to grab onto. Otherwise it could slip off the barb and blow the hose off. So it's just something to keep aware of. Another thing is to make sure the hose clamps are past the barb and not clamping onto the barb. You want the hose to pull against the barb. You don't want to clamp the hose into the barb because that could actually cut through the hose if you over tighten the clamps. Now you don't want to over tighten the clamps. What I've done with this lot, because they've got the spring on them, I've tightened them up till the spring's pretty much as tight as it can go. That way, if the hoses do mold or get soft or anything silly like that, the spring in that hose clamp will expand and keep constant pressure on it at all times. I haven't reefed on them, they're not over tight, but something else to stay aware of. All in all, the install's pretty easy, but like I said, there's a few little technical things that might be able to catch you out. So if you're not comfortable, hit up your preferred mechanic. Alright, and that wraps up today's episode, so thank you very much for watching. I appreciate everybody's love on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, comment down below if you have a set of these silicone intercooler hoses, and yeah, share it if you like it, subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode.